The pipe definitely leads inside.
That's him, officer.
Eh?
The dog that stole my purse.
Hoghound!
Ooh, that dumb flatfoot will never think to look in here.
Hey, what are you doing in my yard? You don't belong here.
Huh?
Make like Houdini. Disappear.
Quiet, son. Quiet. Shh.
There I was, bravely guarding my yard when this mangy street mutt drops in like he owns the place.
Actually, Itchy was a sissy yard pooch. All yip and no bite.
Yeah, like you caught a brave figure hiding behind that hedge there. Ha ha ha. Skedaddle, go on, hit the bricks. Hey.
Shh, just go up and muzzle on it. Shh, quiet. Quiet.
My master calls. I'm off.
Crazy dog.
Whew. Now to teach that runty little house dog never to bark at a rover again.
If you do all your tricks, I'll give you this doggy treat. Roll over, roll over. Play dead.
He's not a dog. He's a trained seal.
One more trick and it's yours. Do a triple flip with a twist. Oh, can't you learn anything? Get out of my sight, stupid!
Someday I'll get that trick right. And then my master will like me.
Tisk, tisk, and may I say tisk. I wouldn't have believed it if I hadn't seen it.
Don't harass me in my dark hour of total humiliation.
What kind of self-respecting dog puts up with that sort of abuse?
Ha! I'm sure a mangy street dog like you would never understand the mystical dog-human bond.
Oh, wake up and get a good sniff of reality. He treats you rotten.
Yeah, but I'm loyal. That's the kind of pup I am, loyal through thick and thin.